Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Phoenix Wright Justice for All with Chaos Counseling. Back to fucking serial murderer peoples.
Yes!
Hey!
Sunshine is still not here.
No.
I'm so sorry, buddy.
Love you, Sunshine.
Love you.
Everyone send him imaginary fudge.
Yes!
Yes.
We went through this, right? I can skip this?
Kinda, I think so.
No, I don't think so.
I provide my services at a...
Yeah, that's
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait, no?
No, we went over this.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been over
I think it's not letting me... Either I don't know how to speed through it, or it's not letting us speed through it because this is important information. Here we go. That's right. Okay, I'm sorry, but I was just wondering about something you just said. You said that your client had already broken the rules. A person who frames another is the worst kind of human.
Oh, it's a good thing we only have art on our walls and no pictures.
We do, though. In the kitchen. And on the stairwell.
Shh.
Good try, though.
That's why you feel you can betray this person. I have no trust relation with a client who can't understand their assigned role. Just my luck. An assassin with a conscience. Who would have figured? Now then, everyone. Do you think you can understand my logic? This case just keeps getting better and better!
And this game came out before Assassin's Creed.
If you can't, then I'm afraid we can't proceed. Everyone understands your point, I think. Really.
Really, really.
In that case, I believe I am prepared to disclose the information you seek.
You have made it crystal clear that you value trust over all else. I believe we are ready.
Excellent. And that is... Wait.
Yeah, this is new. Pretty sure.
We gotta go to the end, I believe.
Oh, really? There it
Nevin,
is.
I do believe it's about time I reveal the name of my client. Don't you agree?
It's always annoying that... Because it's always left in, like, when we did... Noxious.
Yeah. Just give it to us, please.
The anticipation's
What?
bad!
What is it?
Now I can't bring myself to ask the client's name.
If you can't ask it, Mr. Wright, then I will. Witness, what is the name of your client who requested the murder of Mr. Juan Corrida?
That person's name is...
Batman!
I knew it.
Martha!
Martha?
Adrian Andrews.
Oh, damn. I think on the audio.
Oh yeah, the audio with the brick.
Yep.
Yep, the brick.
Witness! That's not who you told me it was earlier.
Pray tell, what are you talking about, Mr. Prosecutor? I should think I know my own client, and it is Adrian Andrews.
What?
I'm confused! What? This isn't how I thought it went at all.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Water bottles are dangerous.
Yes.
Especially near expensive recording equipment.
Sorry.
That's all good.
That can't be on the phone earlier.
What's going on here? My guess is that Mr. Dick Hiller just stabbed Mr. Edgeworth in the back.
At least it wasn't in his cravat.
Stabbed Edgeworth in the back?
If you pushed it hard enough.
I'm sure in order to get an audience with this court, Mr. Dick Hiller told him a different name. Madame Guard, perhaps? I knew it.
Jeez. I feel like we're in Doppelganger all over again with Kendall talking to herself.
This is outrageous. I was deceived. This witness is telling a very serious lie.
But you were the one who summoned this witness!
You Shelley the killer?
Yeah.
My testimony is the truth. The defendant at the moment is Matt Ungard. Am I correct? All I wish to do is help procure his acquittal. Wow. All of a sudden, it feels like we can actually win this. Yeah.
Do we actually want that?
No! Okay, I don't know.
The prosecution has failed to prove a motive and has, instead, proved this suicide note was a forgery created by the victim. Furthermore, there is a possibility the defendant himself knew it was a fake. But most definitively of all, we have heard from the assassin himself the name of his client. Mr. Tequila's client who requested the murder was not the defendant at all.
No.
With all this evidence, it's obvious to me that this means that Mr. Matt Ungard is innocent.
Dang it! Someone in the audience, dang it!
No! My bet!
Pay up, Bill!
Gosh dang it, here's your $5.
Yeah!
And my wife.
I seem to have caused you all a bit of confusion. Please continue your discussion and call me when you have reached a verdict.
Bailiff, please bring Miss Adrian Andrews in immediately.
What now? With the way this is going, Ungard will be found innocent. This may be our last chance to save Maya. Yeah, but Edgeworth is right. The killer is lying, and Ungard, my client, I know he's guilty. Can I lift myself if I win this?
Who would have believed that the prosecution's own witness would absolve the defendant?
Your Honor, the prosecution requests permission to further question the witness. Mr. Shelley the Killer is certainly lying under oath.
It wasn't me! Listen, everyone, please! That testimony just now, it was all one big lie!
Miss Andrews.
The suicide note may have been a fake, but that man, Matt, he's the reason Celeste died! And Juan's death, it was all because he got pulled into Matt's twisted world! That testimony just now, you have to believe me. It was a horrible, horrible lie.
But Mr. the Killer himself has testified and he has named you as his client.
No, that's not true!
Also, there's quite a bit of evidence that points to you. The knife and the button donning the Nickel Samurai's costume.
But that's...
You even had a motive. We know that Miss Celeste Impax was a large part of your life. You wanted to follow her and you wanted revenge against the two who hurt her. I would say that you have plenty of reason to want them both dead.
No! Mr. Wright! You know the truth. Tell them! Tell them the real story! Who the real killer is! Tell them! Please! Help me!
Yes, I know the truth.
Mr. Wright,
Yes, Your Honor?
I believe we have reached the end of this trial. Therefore, I ask the defense for any final words or opinions.
I have to decide. Do I take the not guilty verdict and save Maya? Or do I throw this chance away and wait for Gumshoe's new evidence? What am I supposed to do?
Fuck it!
Phoenix, I can't do it, Mia. I can't accept a not guilty. You are a lawyer. I know, but Matt Ungard is a killer, a murderer. I can't let him get away with this. I can't let someone else take the fall. If I let Miss Andrews be convicted, then I'm no better than Ungard. And even though I don't want to admit it, I have to face the fact that it is because of Edgeworth that I now know the real truth. He could have gotten Ungard convicted so many times over, but he never took a single one of those chances. If I take this verdict right now, I'd be betraying his trust. His trust? I never thought about it until now. I trust him? Yes, you do.
Mr. Wright, your opinion, please.
The defense requests that we allow to further question Mr. DeKiller.
Am I hearing you correctly?
Holy crap.
The chair breaks.
Well, it's not that it breaks, it's just, it's supposed to be able to lean back farther anyway, but it
Right.
sticks half the time.
Yeah, it's just a funny image of like the judge.
Mr. Wright, are you...
Falls right out.
Your Honor!
It's like the shock just made him go like, what?
He did the anime falling out of his seat thing!
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my gosh!
It happens.
In real life!
That's what I imagine just happened right there.
Dude, I love it.
Mr. Wright, what the?
Just all, like, the bailiff, oh my gosh, your honor! And they're all just like,
They're like, oh, protect the honor. I'm sorry, I went on a tangent.
say,
No, what? No, it was wonderful.
Okay.
Right.
But, this is a kind of fire. Protect the honor you're talking on.
Oh, that's him being on the floor, I guess.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not done yet. To see through this witness' lies and find the truth. That is my job, Your Honor. There's still more evidence to look at. And I'm sure that once those pieces arrive here in this very courtroom, a miracle will occur.
Very well. Trial will continue.
It's not like I have anything else to do.
Mr. Edgeworth, please reestablish connection with Mr. DeKiller.
Right away, Your Honor.
I can just imagine hearing in the background on guards like, what the hell? I can't do the Pip voice.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Not how it's
What
supposed
does
to
it-
happen.
Well, that isn't. I guess this is a
Can't put
little
more
bit.
spit in your mouth.
You gotta get more.
Shit, you son of the stupid son of the succotash.
Well, now you're just being silly.
Now you just sound like Daffy Duck.
Has a verdict been reached?
Before that, we would like to talk with you a little more.
About?
What's your sign?
All you needed from me was the name of my client. What else could you need me for?
Your bra size.
I am a man.
That doesn't prove anything.
I do not wear those.
Well,
Do you prefer thongs or
actually,
panties?
we would like to hear everything you know about this case.
The judge decided to ask some very strange questions.
That is how things are usually done.
Do you prefer pipe tobacco or cigars?
What is he talking about?
He's just pulling random ideas out of his ass.
Usually done?
But what shall we have him testify about now?
Is your waifu Minda or Rudo?
Mr. DeKiller, if you don't mind, please testify about your client in more detail.
Which Super Smash Brothers?
Oh my gosh, stop!
I was actually about to answer some of those questions, but... You legal people and your procedures. Is it any wonder no one likes going to court?
Yeah, we all try to avoid jury duty like the plague.
I got called for jury duty about 2 years ago.
Same.
Thankfully, the case was dismissed, so I didn't have to go.
Okay, cool. I almost pressed the wrong button.
Oh no, don't push the wrong button.
As I have already stated quite a few times, Adrian Andrews is my client. However, one thing I simply cannot overlook is tampering with the scene of the crime.
Is that a crime?
It is. My client did it to frame another for the crime. While pretending to be the first person to discover the body and enter the scene, Adrian Andrews already knew from the very beginning that Juan Corrida was dead. But even more appalling is the creation and planting of the knife and button.
She made those from scratch?
That act is what I was referring to when I said my client had broken the rules.
This is a most unexpected turn of events for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 60 skip a fifth time now.
Skipped a lot of numbers there, Your Honor.
And then looped right back.
However,
1, 3, 2, 5!
Stop counting like my kindergartners.
however, this time everything has finally been revealed.
Just a second, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Edgeworth.
We still have the cross-examination to do.
You don't need to question testimony like this. Do you, Mr. Wright?
Your Honor, the defense will question the witness. As if I have a choice here.
Huh? Why? What's this witness had said? What this witness has said is nothing but beneficial to the defense's case. Are you scrutinizing the test? If you scrutinize the testimony, then...
Then I'll expose the lies in that so beneficial testimony, I suppose.
I don't understand what's going on anymore.
That makes 2 of us, and 5 of us.
All of us! The entire courtroom!
Can I do something fun?
Yeah.
Can we do the... Yeah, can I do something fun?
do something fun?
Yeah.
You can do something fun with this?
Hold on.
What is it, Mr. Wright?
If I press him the wrong way, it might raise suspicions on his end. but I have to do something to waste more time. Witness, about requesting a hit. Yes? How much is your fee? I see you are also quite a dark-hearted man, Mr. Attorney. If you would like to talk business, we can do so after the trial. No! I'm not thinking of hiring...
Mr. Wright!
Yes?
You want to kill me? You want me dead, don't you?
What? Why did you think something like that, Your Honor?
Guilty! Mr. Wright! You are hereby declared guilty!
Witness, let's continue. Why did you disclose? Why did you disclose the name of your client? They are your client, are they not?
We've been through this already.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see, that's 2.
That was hilarious.
That's pretty great.
I think this, yeah. To be the first person to discover. Okay, let's do it. So you're saying most clients wouldn't do such a thing? That is correct. Usually most people try to create an alibi for themselves. If you should use my services, Mr. Attorney, I would suggest you plan for your alibi too.
Okay, so now
No, I already told you I have no intention of ever using your services.
Okay, so now Kendall's also playing a psychopath who plans on killing people while talking to herself. This is doppelganger all over again.
Why does he keep looking at me like I'm the one on trial here?
5, 6. Okay. Oh, when client broke the rules. Okay, then we're near the end of the loop. Perfect. And that's all you have to testify? Yes, and I pray that I will never be called to the stand again. Again? As in you plan to continue? I must, as I have yet to find a person to take my place and become the 4th successor. Actually, how would you like a new life, Mr. Attorney?
Excuse me? No, I'm fine. Really.
Oh, you really know.
I wonder what kind of mad the judge thinks I am now.
Let's see. I think this is just...
Yeah, this is the loop.
The loop.
Text.
They usually give you hints at the ends of these loops. I don't think we've ever established it, but usually when you go through all the testimony, your partner or Phoenix will just give you a hint to lead you to the right direction.
Because some of the testimonies are garbage.
Yeah.
By the way, that's an episode.
Awesome! I'm so glad.
Why are we always stopping with you, to killer?
Damn it, to killer.
Damn it, to killer.
Gosh dang it, to killer, but I have... I freaking love some of the testimonies when you press.
It's like, do you want to become an assassin?
No, I don't.
Have this video game. You'll learn how to, I swear.
It's called Assassin's Creed.
Have fun.
Yes.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.